Pour concrete into wooden molds, shape branch legs, assemble stylish table. Pour cement into curved tubes. Craft pink pedestal stand. Plant roses. Dipping a knitted fabric blanket into concrete to make a unique floor lamp. Fill old tire with soil, build bamboo pyramid, grow fresh cucumbers. Mold concrete in wooden frame. Attach round dots. Paint gorgeous vase. Shape cement through ring mold. Carve lines. Paint shiny golden vase. Pour concrete in round mold. Set glass bottles. Paint dark base. Wrap egg cartons with rope, pour cement, add stones and paint. Pour cement inside tire mold, embed colorful stones, create garden path. Arrange glass bottles in circle. Pour cement. Paint vibrant yellow table. Using a heavy metal chain mold to make a stylish flower pot. Pouring concrete into a star mold to create glowing garden stepping stones. Crafting a double-tiered concrete heart planter with beautiful white and red paint. Melting old plastic bottles to cast custom green blocks for building. Molding wire mesh and growing lush grass into an adorable puppy sculpture. Building a unique brick circle garden bed filled with paper rolls and soil. Melting piles of plastic bottles to craft a durable green picnic table. Transforming a plastic barrel with concrete and wood textures into an outdoor sink. Sculpting a concrete teddy bear base to support a modern glass coffee table. Pouring concrete over a blue exercise ball to craft a custom outdoor garden sink. Pouring concrete inside a hollow watermelon to cast a textured spherical plant pot. Crafting a double-tiered concrete heart planter with striking white and red paint finishes. Arrange green leaves inside bucket, pour liquid cement, shape planter beautifully.